Okay, our lesson today is about internet. So we have finished our programming lesson, and today we have to learn about internet. So that is also a very important lesson. And first of all, please refer to the conversation between the two students in which is given in the book. So one is asking, brother, our teacher said we can find information on sea creatures from from the internet. What do you mean by the internet? So then the friend respond, the internet is a large collection of computer networks. Actually, it is a network of networks. It is connecting network of networks. It is connecting all the networks around the network. Sorry, all the networks in the world. It's connecting, and it is also called a network of networks. Right? Internet is made up with large number of computers and computer networks around the world. Actually, two or more computers interconnected, then it is called computer network. So I think in your home, you can see computer networks, right? Can you see computer networks in your home environment? How many of you can see computer networks? Have you seen computer networks in your home environment?
Yeah.
How? Because if you are using a router, if two devices connected, let's say your mobile phone and your father's mobile phone is connected, so that is also a network. If you turn on mobile hotspot and if you connect your computer to the mobile phone, that is also a network. If you turn on mobile hotspot and connect another mobile phone, that is also a network. Right? In your home environment also, nowadays we can see network, because if you have router or Wi-Fi connection, so in your house, maybe mother has another connection, father is also connecting to the same, and you are also connecting to the same. Maybe if you have brother or sister, they are also connected to the same. Likewise, you are using network or internet, right? So anyway, when you connect to another computer or computing device, that is called a network. Right? Network එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ device දෙකක් තිබ්බොත් ඇති. දෙකක් හෝ වැඩි ගණනක්. තිබ්බොත් connect වුණොත් router එක හරහා හරි Wi-Fi වලින් හරි mobile hotspot දාලා හරි connect කරගත්තොත් that is a network. Okay. So then internet is the world's largest network. It is actually infrastructure. එක infrastructure එකක්. එහෙම නැත්නම් යටිතල පහසුකම්. So you know roads are infrastructures. Roads are infrastructure. Why? So you can use road. Buses can use road. Lorries can use road for transportation. Buses can use roads for transportation. You can also use road. Cars, vans, bicycles can also use road. Similar to that, internet is infrastructure. It can be used by many services. ඒ වගේම තමයි internet කියන්නේ යටිතල පහසුකමක්. ඒ පහසුකම සේවා ගොඩක් මගින් යොදා ගන්නවා. මොනවාද internet වල තියෙන services? What are the services in the internet? Yes? Can you name a few? Can you name a few services in the internet? Internet ඔයාලා පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ මොනවාද? මොනවාද ඔයාලා ගන්න වැඩ internet?
We can watch video. We can watch video.
Yes, we can watch video for entertainment. We can use. We can watch video.
Search sometimes don't know.
Sorry.
Search some things.
Yeah, you can search information. You can watch videos. And here, actually, using internet, we are doing the conference using Zoom. So we need internet to do Zoom, right? Sometimes you say your internet data package is over, but Zoom data is there. If Zoom data is there, can you access web pages?
No.
Zoom data විතරක් තියෙනවා නම් web page access කරන්න බෑ. හැබැයි මේ internet යන්න පුළුවන්ද බැරිද? internet පුළුවන්. internet වලින් නේද connect වෙන්නේ Zoom. internet හරහා තමයි Zoom connect වෙන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ සමහර app ඒ කියන්නේ internet කියලා කියන්නේ web විතරක් නෙවෙයි. web සමහරලට website වැඩ නැහැ. හැබැයි Zoom වලින් ඔයාලට internet access කරන්න පුළුවන්. Zoom වලින් ඔයාලට පුළුවන් තව කෙනෙක්ගේ computer එකක් එක්ක connect වෙන්න. Using Zoom, you can do video conference. You can participate in the video conference. That is also a service. Okay, let's write down about these services in the internet and internet infrastructure, right? So let's write small note and begin. So write down the heading, using internet for collecting information and communication. Using internet for collecting information and communication. Please write down that heading. Using internet for collecting information and communication. Collecting information and communication. Sorry. Using internet for collecting information and communication. Under that, please write, internet is an infrastructure for a lot of services. It is a network of networks. It is network of networks. A network is two or more computers connected through two or more computers connected through wired or wireless medium, wired or wireless medium, or wireless media, for the purpose of resource sharing and communication. I'll explain this, right? For resource sharing and communication. A lot of such networks and independent computers and devices are interconnecting and communicating through internet. World Wide Web, email, instant messengers,
World Wide Web?
that is websites. World Wide Web means all the websites together we call World Wide Web. Email, instant messengers, remote access, file sharing, teleconferencing are some of the popular services, some of the most popular services in the internet. Internet connects both people and devices. Internet of Things. Information added to the internet within a single day by these information added to the internet within a single day by these things and people cannot be referenced and accessed even within the lifetime of average person. Even within lifetime of average person. That much of information. Finish? If you finish, please tell me, then I can explain this.
Oh, sir.
Do it quickly and let me know, then I'll explain. Let's explain from the beginning. Internet is an infrastructure for a lot of services. කියන්නේ ඉන්ටර්නෙට් කියන්නේ යටිතල පහසුකම. යටිතල පහසුකමක් කියන්නේ අපිට අනිත් පහසුකම් සපයන්න තියෙන පහසුකම. ඒතර මේක තිබ්බොත් තමයි අනිත් එක හම්බ වෙන්නේ. දැන් කරන්ට් එක කියන්නේ think about the electricity. Electricity is infrastructure. So electricity itself is not usable. Electricity තිබ්බා කියලා ඔයාලා ගිහිල්ලා වයර් එකක් අල්ලගෙන හිටියොත් වැඩක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. කරන්ට් එක වදින එක තමයි වෙන්නේ. අපේ ගෙදරට කරන්ට් එක තියෙනවා කියලා ගිහිල්ලා වයර් එකක් අල්ලගෙන හිටියොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? You will get an electric shock. That is useless, right? So having electricity is useful. Why? Because to use other services. If you need electrical iron to be used, you need electricity. If you need fridge, then also you need electricity. If you need to use like a washing machine, you need electricity. Bulbs, fan, air conditioner, computer, you need electricity. But without electricity, none of them will work. But without all these things, if you just have electricity, that is also useless. Devices මොකුත් නැතුව current එක විතරක් තියෙනවා. current එක ඉතින් අල්ලල්ලා බලන්නේ එකක් වැඩක් නැහැ. හැබැයි devices උත් එක්ක current එකක් තිබ්බොත් හොඳයි. current එක කියන්නේ අත්‍යවශ්‍ය දෙයක් device වලට. නැත්නම් device විතරක් තිබිලත් වැඩක් නැහැ. internet උත් ඒ වගේ. internet තියෙනවා හැබැයි services එකක්වත් නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ internet, you have internet but you can't access websites. It says website cannot be accessed. You have internet, you can't go to a Zoom meeting. Says Zoom cannot be accessed. You have internet, it's saying WhatsApp message cannot be sent. You cannot access WhatsApp even. You have internet, it's saying Telegram message cannot be sent. You have internet, but when you go to YouTube, it says cannot be displayed, the video. Then again useless. You have internet, but services are not there. Internet and its services both are important. Both together should give us a better environment. Then it is a network of networks. Take a jala wala jala network. Godak ne hadila the network godak ekatu vela thamai hadila. It's worldwide, right? It's connected to the wired and wireless media. So actually, if you have two or more computers or computing devices or mobile phones, whatever, you connected using wired wireless media, wire වලින් හරි Wi-Fi වලින් හරි මොනවාකින් හරි connect වෙන එකක් තියෙනවා නම් අපි කියනවා network එකක් කියලා. The purpose of network is resource sharing. You can share one internet connection. If you have a Wi-Fi hotspot or mobile hotspot, you can share your internet connection with others. If you have a router, you can share the internet connection with others. So resource sharing is one main thing of the network. And not only that, communicate. You can send messages and receive messages. A lot of such networks and independent computers devices are interconnected and communicating through internet. So you can see a lot of such devices in the internet. Those are interconnected. Actually, who owns internet? Right, that is also internet important. Internet is owned by general public. No specific owner, no company, no government owns internet. It is for the public, general public. We all owns that. So that is also very special thing. And in the World Wide Web, email, instant messengers, remote access. So these are the services. World Wide Web means websites. Email, you know, sending and receiving email. Instant messengers, what are the instant messengers? Can you give few examples? So what are the examples? Yes. What are the examples of instant messages?
WhatsApp, Viber.
Yes, true. WhatsApp, Viber, Imo, Telegram, WeChat. So those
Discord.
are, yes, instant line. And remote access. Remote access means like, you know, so if you want the help, we normally use any desk, or sometimes we use TeamViewer, right? TeamViewer, any desk to access your computer and give help. TeamViewer, any desk. Then file sharing. File sharing means you can download, upload files. Teleconference, Zoom, Teams, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, used in teleconferencing. So those are some popular services of the internet. Internet wala seva. Internet connects both people and devices. That is a specialty, right? Not only people, devices are also connected. Refrigerators, mobile phones, TVs, and maybe your watch, maybe your cap, mug. Those things can be connected, right? So everything can be connected to the internet, even animals. Right? So devices are also generating information, and people are also generating information. Information added to the internet within a single day. එක දවසක ඇතුළත ඉන්ටර්නෙට් වලට අලුතෙන් ඇඩ් කරන තොරතුරු කියවන්න මිනිස්සුෙකුට ජීවිත කාලයක් මදිලු. සාමාන්‍ය මිනිස්සුෙකුට ජීවිත කාලයම කියවුවත් කියවල ඉවර කරන්න. That much of information added per day. Per second 1.8 megabyte of information now estimated as per second. තප්පරයකට මෙගාබයිට් 1.5ක data අලුතෙන් ඇඩ් වෙනවා කියලා තියෙනවා. තප්පරයකට. හරි? එතකොට විනාඩියකට හිතලා බලන්න. විනාඩියකට it's like around 100 megabytes per minute. For 1 hour is closer to 1 GB. 1 hour, 1 GB. 24 hours, so roughly it is 24 GB of information. That is the minimum. 24 hours, 24 GB. So maybe per 1 year, you can't estimate. For 1 year, 24 GB into 356. 24 into 356. You can calculate and see. That much of information newly added to the internet. Right? Okay, so now we know about internet. We know about what is internet and how it is composed. And next thing is, how do we connect to the internet? Right? How do we connect to the internet? Please write down the next subheading. How do we connect to the internet? First thing, what do you need? What do you think? You can suggest me. මොනවාද ඕනේ internet connect වෙන්න? Can you suggest?
Router.
You need router. Okay. What else? Router එකක් නැතුවත් පුළුවන් mobile hotspot එකක් දාලා යන්න පුළුවන්. Data වලින් යන්න පුළුවන්. Anything else? Anything else? Anyway, router එකක් හරි mobile hotspot එකක් හරි ඔබට පොදුවේ අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් a valid connection from internet service provider. We can write down number 1, a valid connection from an internet service provider. ISP කියලා කියනවා. A valid internet service, valid connection from internet service that you need. For example, SLT, Dialog, Mobitel, Airtel, Hutch, whatever, a connection is needed. So also you need a device which supports to connect internet connectable device. Everything cannot be connected to the internet. For example, pen drive. You can't connect to internet normal circumstances, but there are pen drives which can be connected to the internet. Normal circumstances, no. Remote controllers, normal circumstances, no. So you need a device which support to connect internet. So you can write down. So what are the things? Examples: laptop, desktop, mobile phone, tab, IP camera. There is a special camera which can be connected. Smart devices, smart watches, and smart refrigerators or fridge. Refrigerators, smart TVs. So those can be connected to the internet. And not only that, you need a specific software according to the service. A service specific software program is needed. Software kakona sevawata support කරන. මේ ලබා දෙන සේවාවට අනුව වැඩ කරන service specific what is the name? Okay. Service specific software program. So for an example, for instant messengers, so you need WhatsApp, Viber, Emo, Telegram, Messenger, social networking. You need Facebook, Instagram, YouTube like apps. Then teleconferencing. For teleconferencing, you need Zoom, MS Team like apps, or Skype like apps.
Google.
Yes, Google Meet. Service like service related programs. So there are some other programs according to the services. These are the things that you need to connect to the internet. These are the things that you need to connect to the internet. Quickly write down, then I'll go to show some. Actually, I'll go to demonstrate something related to this.
So can you put these words to the chat?
This one.
No, sir. Next one.
This.
Yes, sir.
It was there earlier also.
Not.
So if there are anything difficult, please ask, right? Now we know what is internet, how to connect to the internet. So what are the things that we need to connect to internet that we know? And next, let's learn. So let's see what is in the book first. Okay, so this is what it says. Accessing internet. So brother, how can we use internet to find information? To find information, yes, you can use web. So to find information, you need web. Maybe you can browse videos also using YouTube like app. Right? So that is another way of doing that. Without using a web browser, you can use a YouTube and find information. But he's suggesting, yes, use a web browser. Use a web browser, then you can find information. A website or web page is open in the web browser, and web browser is a software that can be used to open a web page or website on the internet. So what are the web browsers that you know? So what are the web browsers which you can use? Yes?
Google Chrome.
Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge,
Google Chrome,
Opera. Safari.
Microsoft Safari, Opera. So those are the browsers. Okay, he's asking what is web page? What is website? Web page is actually a collection of websites. Sorry, the other way. Website is a collection of web pages. Web page is a document in the internet. Web page is a single document in a web page. It has images, videos, text, and much more. Right? Okay. So then, we need to find out what are the how to access services. We learn here, right? How to access services. So web browsers can be used to access. Web browsers can be used to access web pages. Here I couldn't give that, sorry. So this is web browsers, right? For web service, you can use web browsers. That is my mistake. Please write down over there. For web browser, we are using web browser. So example of web browsers are given. Actually, the service specific program should come here. That is my mistake. Service specific program, then web browser and instant messengers, social networking, teleconferencing, and other service related apps. So these are the service specific softwares: web browsers, instant messengers, social networking, teleconferencing, and service related software. Okay. Those are the things, those are the available tools in the internet. Okay, what is web page? Website. Website is a collection of web pages under single name. Example, pages under google.com. All pages under google.com create google.com website. What is web page? Is a collection of related text and multimedia, such as audio, video, and images. That is a web page. So you should know that. So what is website? What is web page? And what is web browser also? We discuss what are the web browsers. Web browser is used to access web sites and pages. Then you need search engine also. Actually, search engine is a special web page which is used to search other pages. Anit web page හොයන්න උදව් වෙන web page එකක් තමයි search engine කියලා කියන්නේ. Website is a collection of web pages under a single name like google.com. Google.com and in all its pages is a website. Let's say you have nie.lk and all its pages is a nie website. Yahoo.com and all its web pages is yahoo.com website. Ikman.lk and all its web pages is Ikman.lk website. Web page is a single document, collection of related text, video, and images as a single document. That is web page. And web browser is a special software It is a special software used to access websites and pages. Search engine is a special web page which is used to access other web pages. So be careful when identifying these terms, right? Otherwise, like you will confuse. Website එකක් කියන්නේ පිටු ගොඩක එකතුවක්. Web page එකක් කියන්නේ තනි පිටුවක්. Web browser එකක් කියන්නේ පිටු හොයන්න පාවිච්චි කරන software එකක්. Search engine එකක් කියන්නේ web browser එකක් කියන්නේ පිටු access කරන්න පාවිච්චි කරන software එකක්. Search engine එකක් කියන්නේ පිටු හොයන්න පාවිච්චි කරන software. ඔක තමයි වෙනස. Site එකක් කියන්නේ පිටු ගොඩක්, page එකක් කියන්නේ ඒකේ තියෙන එක පිටුවක්, browser එකක් කියන්නේ ඒ පිටු access කරන්න පාවිච්චි කරන software එකක්, search engine එකක් කියන්නේ පිටු හොයන්න පාවිච්චි කරන software. හොයන්න පාවිච්චි කරන විශේෂ site එක. That is the difference between these terms. You should know, right? What is website, what is web page, what is web browser, and what is search engine. So these can be exam questions, right? So these questions can be exam. What is a website? What is a web page? What is a web browser? What is a search engine? Then you have to distinguish each and explain properly. Is search engine is a website? Search engine, is it a website?
No, sir.
No.
No, yes. Search engine, is it a website?
No, sir.
Why?
Yeah.
Why it is not a website?
No, sir. Yeah.
No, say yes. What is that? No, yes. Search engine is a website, right? Search engine is a special website, yes. These are some search engines. Search engine is a special website, right? That is used to search other web pages. Search engine is also a website. Is web browser is a website?
No, sir. It's an application.
Yeah, it's application. It's not a website. Web browser is an application, a software. Can website has one page? Can it have like, can it get only one page?
No.
No, sir. It has
It has so many
collection of web pages.
It has collection, but it can be one also, right? There are single page websites. There are some single page websites. Then can search engine has multiple web pages? Is it possible to search engine to have multiple web pages?
Yes.
Yes, it is possible. Google has image search, Google has video search, Google has normal search. It has multiple web pages. It is possible to have multiple web pages. Okay, these things you should know, right? You should exactly know what is web page, what is website. Okay, so www.microsoft.com. What is that? Is it a web page, website, web browser, search engine? www.microsoft.com.
It's a website.
It's a website. Then www.microsoft.com/abc.html.
It is a
Page.
It is a web
web
page.
page.
Yes, it is a web page. www.google.com.
It is a search engine.
Search engine. It's a search engine.
It is a search engine as well as a website, right? Both search engine, website. Okay, now you have idea. Now you got an idea about what is web page, what is website, what is search engine, and what is web browser. Okay. Finish writing or still doing?
Finish it.
Finish.
Finish.
Okay. If you are done, then we can move to the